Hi, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today's Tips and Techniques Tuesday. I want to show you a great technique using our stamping blends. I call it the blend smoosh because you can do the same technique with water and your markers, but this is with the blends and alcohol. All I've got in this is this spritzer is alcohol, rubbing alcohol. What you're going to need is you're going to need some window sheets. Now you can do this with one window sheet and your large, let me bring you up, and your large stamping block if you want. I find that you can do it with two and then you get two cards. And also the block, the blends stay on the block a lot longer and you really have to clean it. What you get when you do this is backgrounds, pretty backgrounds. You can use it with one color, two colors, any colors. The only problem with this is it does take a while to dry. So to use this, do it the night before and then you can make a beautiful card like this. So I'll show you how to do it. And again, it is so simple. So you're going to have, I'm taking 2 sheets of the Stampin' Up window sheets, making sure that there is no protective, sometimes they put a protective coating on this. Now what I am going to do is, and you're going to get messy, so just bear with me. This is dark cherry cobbler. Okay. And then I am going to do some dark shaded spruce. Okay. Then what I am going to do is I am going to spritz it with the alcohol. And you can see it's starting to run. But it doesn't run a lot, so what you want to do is you want to, and see, I told you it's messy. And now all you want to do is you want to put your other sheet right on top of it. Go like this. And then you want to take them apart. Now you may want to you do want to set them aside to dry, or you may want to use another color. This is the color we used. Then I'm just going to put some Bermuda Bay on here. And then I am going to lay that, you can tell the, and there we go. Now I'm going to just leave these to dry. So we'll come back when these are dry and we will make a card out of them, I promise you. So for Tips and Techniques Tuesday, make sure you follow me on YouTube. And I would appreciate it if you purchase your Stampin' Up products from me if you like my videos. All the information is down below. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.